My name is Ed Hilligrass, and I'm the Executive Vice President and Chief Sales Officer for Diversified Machine Systems. We're actually an original equipment manufacturer for CNC machinery. What that means is that we provide the tools and equipment that all types of manufacturers use to manufacture their products. So, for example, we would actually manufacture everything from the furniture in your home to the appliances in both your kitchens, your bathrooms, and throughout your whole house, as well as the automobile you'd drive to work, the airplane you'd fly across the country, the cell phones you use, the satellites that the cell phones utilize, and everything to even Mars rovers. So it's quite a wide variety. Our industry in Colorado is fairly strong. We have a lot of demand for our product because, like I said, it's a universal manufacturing platform for all types of manufacturing in all types of phases of manufacturing. So it's very strong, very active right now, probably more so than it has been in a number of years. By nature, we have to be collaborative and innovative. Most of the companies who are trying to manufacture their products are coming to us looking for solutions. So we have to be innovative to be able to help them design their finished product and actually to bridge that gap between where their product is starting to actually where it's finished. So in a lot of cases we have to remanufacture or develop our machinery slightly different to meet their manufacturing processes so that they can be just as successful as we are selling the machines. To give you a little bit about our company and not only the innovation but the power of that innovation as well, it's actually bred in all of the people that work for us. A great example of that is one of the gentlemen who is an engineer of ours actually recently developed an artificial limb for a child who was born without a hand, and that actually even snowballed even more, and now he actually has several people involved. DMS as a company is also involved from the standpoint of we actually help fund some of the projects that they're doing locally, and most of these are nonprofit where guys are donating their hours and their own personal time to do things like the artificial limb. Our biggest challenge that we have right now is really trying to keep up with more of the global demand. That for us, I would say, is in our expansion plans are really our largest challenge. As far as the people, what makes our employees unique is that they do carry a strong work ethic. They have just a real strong will to succeed as well too. It helps us when we're trying to be innovative with our clients, and we're always constantly looking for solutions. So those things really do tend to drive a lot of the characteristics we see in our employees. Because our industry is growing so rapidly right now, and part of the drive of that growth is in people manufacturing more and more today, both here in the U.S. and abroad. And so we're really trying to keep up with where we're growing in the global market, and trying to push more and more of our Colorado exports. So it's an area where we want to grow, we want to move forward, and it's going to be a challenge for us. On a global basis, I see the manufacturing it's a small world. Everybody's doing it all over the place. From the standpoint of actually supplying machinery, though, we do see quite a bit of growth here in the U.S. From the standpoint of the manufacturers, there's a lot of innovative people right now trying to produce a lot of products. They're trying to do it quickly, efficiently, and accurately, which really describes a lot of the characteristics of our machines.